Hello, this is Jonathan Beall with Sertodo Copper. We make these copper cups and things for your cold libations. We're going to show you a little bit about how to take care of them. Proper washing, polishing, drying, just so you get the best look out of these things for the longest time. Alright, so party's over and it was a great success. Everybody made love and not war. You're still left with the dishes. And you got to take care of your stuff. Tell you what you do. You just take your copper. You want it to be, keep looking nice and shiny like this. You don't want to have any kind of spotting or anything that's going on there like this. So the end of the night, early the next morning, depends on what time your party got finished and how good of a time you had. Really, you just kind of wash these things out. Remember, the soft side of the sponge, not the abrasive side of the sponge for the exterior. You just clean it off. Something nice about making this stuff. And the inside, you're welcome, because the inside already has this matte finish. You know, this is the part that we hammer over the anvil with our highly polished hammer, so it beats this shine into the metal. Interior is more of a matte finish. You can use this abrasive on the inside. It'll almost polish it up on the inside, what it does. I'm going to take off a little bit of that. Either way, anyhow, neither of those is here nor there. The main issue when you're washing your stuff is to dry it completely. These wonderful old flower pot napkins from my mom many decades ago. Let's see. You just want to dry off all the water. Any of the water that's left on there will cause spotting, mainly because the chemicals in your tap water will react with the copper and leave you little dark spots in there. So you just want to dry, completely hand dry your copper before you put it up. If you leave it just to sit there, for example, you leave it to sit there and you can see all these spots on there. You can see all the water like that. As that water dries and evaporates, it's going to leave little spots. Copper is really almost like a pH indicator. It'll let you know what's going on in your water. If you have real pure, clean water, then you're not going to have any spotting. As a matter of fact, I changed the kind of water I use because my tap water was staining my copper, and I found really nice purified spring water, and it doesn't do anything to the copper. It's great for drinking out of, great health benefits, and it tastes wonderful.